Am I the a-hole for not taking my wife's side and siding with my parents? Well, that sounds like a recipe for disaster. Okay, here we go. Background: my wife, 28 female, and I, 30 male, as well as my brother and his wife, went to visit our parents as we haven't seen them in a while. My parents, 57, had a box of $300 ginseng in the fridge to be given as a gift for their close friend's wedding anniversary tomorrow. We know this because it came up in conversation during lunch. They also told us to help ourselves to anything in the fridge, but to not touch the ginseng for obvious reasons. The problem came when a few hours later, my parents called us in a panic, saying that they couldn't find the ginseng and asking if anyone saw it. I didn't take it, and at first thought, I thought that they just misplaced it somewhere. However, they insisted that they both agreed on not moving it out of the fridge drawer for that exact reason. All of us denied taking it, and the conversation got more and more heated when my father started yelling that someone must have taken it, since it only went missing when we came to visit. All of us continued to deny taking it, with my wife being really quiet. Then my father said that if it doesn't turn up soon, he's gonna have everyone's belongings checked. That was when my wife admitted that she took it. Apparently, it was some popular brand that my in-laws mentioned, and she wanted to give it to them, and she thought that no one would notice it since it was in an inconspicuous place in the fridge. Wow, so his wife is just a straight up thief then? Like a legit criminal? I can't even, oh my gosh. My mother-in-law ended up calling and saying that my parents overreacted over such an inconsequential thing, and screamed at me that I was an a-hole for not defending my wife. The thing is, in my opinion, it wasn't a small thing. My wife literally stole hundreds of dollars from my parents and tried to lie her way out of it. While I agree that my parents shouldn't have started yelling and accusing us, I feel like my wife was in the wrong for taking the ginseng in the first place. This situation has caused a lot of friction, and we haven't been speaking since coming home. So am I the a-hole? Never have I had an easier time saying not the a-hole. 100% not the a-hole. He should be probably divorcing his wife as far as I'm concerned. If someone can just straight up steal from somebody's house and then literally sit there in silence when they're looking for it. And this wasn't just something small, and she knew it. They literally told them what it was there for. And it was $300. And for her to just take it, she's a criminal, and I honestly wouldn't even blame the parents for trying to press charges. I would never have that lady over my house again. The husband is not the a-hole at all for not siding with his wife, and to me, he would have been an a-hole if he did. The wife is a 10 out of 10 a-hole because she is literally a thief. And the mother-in-law is an 8 out of 10 a-hole to me, because for her to call and say that they overreacted, honestly, I want to give her a 10 out of 10. I really do, but she didn't steal anything. But she did raise the thief, so I just cannot stand the mother-in-law. I can't stand her daughter. You guys let me know in the comments what a-hole ranking you would give these people on a scale of 1 to 10. Man, some of these stories just get me so pissed off, and this is one of them. Goodness gracious. Anyways, guys, you have to let me know what you think about my newest mold. Oh my gosh, guys, I am obsessed. So this mold makes like the cutest little jewelry box, and it's like squared. It has like really cute little diamond designs, and I used a super translucent blue and then an opaque blue to make this box, and I wanted it to have like an icy frozen look, and I love the results, guys. I cannot wait to make something else with this mold. So let me know what colors you would like to see next, and I will see you guys in the next video. Peace.